Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
So today I want to describe the map changes. This map shows the changes in Felixstone between 1967 and 2001. Let me start from the seaside area. In 1967, this area was quite simple and traditional. In the left side, there were a fish market, marina, and pier. The fish market sells fresh fish from the fishermen, and the pier going out into the water, so people walking and enjoy this ocean view. Next, there were dunes hotel and cafe beside the hotel. This cafe used for eat something or drink and enjoy the night view. And then in 2001, this area was has a lot of changes. The wind turbines has added in front of the dunes, so it shows the renewable energy. And then on the left side of the dunes, there was a car park for people to park their cars, and this hotel itself become bigger. And then the cafe is still on there, so people from the hotel can eat or buy something and enjoy the ocean view or the beach view. Next, the fish market in 1967 and marina and pier has removed to the private and replaced to the private beach and private beach. Next, we go to the 1697 in the high street. In the both sides of the high street, there were shops that sell swimsuit or things for the beach, so people can buy some swimsuit or fruit or an umbrella to enjoy the beach. And on the right side of the high street, there was a golf course, and on the left side of the high street, there were farmland. But in 2001, that farmland was removed and replaced by a public area. The new hotel added, and the swimming pool, and also there was a tennis court, and the shops on the left side of the high street was removed and replaced by an apartment. So it shows the Felixstone has support tourism. Overall, this beach has a lot of change from the traditional beach, from the traditional area to the modern, and support many tourists. So I think that's all from me. Sorry if there any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.